At a press conference held on 21st July 2023, teacher representatives of colleges affiliated to the Northeastern Hill University who had attended the recent academic council had expressed their concerns and also clarified on the statement of the VC of Nehu on the proposed implementation of the new education policy 2020 in the state of Meghalaya from academic session 2023-24.
Our concern of the sudden and unexpected imposition of Nehu to implement the NEP 2020, when almost all its stakeholders have expressed the lack of preparedness. A notification was received dated 12 July 2023, which was addressed to all principals of affiliated colleges. And I would just like to bring in the point where our press conference is the focus. In pursuant, the letter reads like this: in pursuant of the decision taken at the 110th Academic Council, duly endorsed by 187 meeting of the Executive Council, the university would implement the 4-year undergraduate program envisaged in the NEP 2020 with effect from the ensuing 2023-24 academic session. Now this notification, it has created a lot of chaos, because let me also inform you that the colleges, quite a number of them, they have started their new session with under the old program. So as an MCTA, we are taking it as a concern, because we have the teacher representatives, the teacher representatives to the Academic Council. And in this very meeting, it was mentioned that in pursuant of the decision taken, so here the teacher representatives reported to us, when they saw this notification, they expressed an opinion that there was something very wrong with the process of the decision.
To an extent, one of the members in the academic council even said to the principal, please respect the democratic process. Your proposal has been defeated soundly. But he insisted. Thereafter, he said that implementation of NEP and passing the syllabus are two different things. Thereafter, we never heard about implementation of NEP. Then comes 19, we passed the ordinance, we passed the syllabus, no decision of implementation of NEP. So we thought, okay, fine, everything's okay. The NEP has been deferred and it will be implemented from the next academic session. Then all of a sudden, it has come to our knowledge, this notification has come. And this created a havoc among all the college principals. Now if you see it very carefully, this letter is addressed to individual principals. The individual principals on their own are supposed to report. I think this is nothing but divide and rule. Just imagine a rural college principal receiving a call from the university VC and asking the opinion. How well informed is that principal? So what I'm trying to say, the very basis on which everything is being rolled is based on lie. I'm not even saying it is a misrepresentation of fact. It's not misrepresentation, it's a total lie. If the VC can prove us otherwise, we are ready to say apologize.